Is it really possible? A 40-hour workweek real estate career with salary plus commission, and you earning a top-level income? For only 2 lucky area licensed agents with experience and success, it is possible. We're offering an inside sales position following up on and nurturing qualified leads. No cold calls. Join a team of other inside sales agents supporting one of the top agents in the region. You work only a 40-hour week, some evenings and some weekends a month, with flexibility. You get 2 weeks vacation. There are no open houses and no buyer babysitting. You can turn off your cell phone after hours, relax, and enjoy your life. Your free days are actually free. This is an exceptional opportunity to earn a top-level income, but you must be able to check your ego at the door and effectively represent the agent and team in exchange for the only stress-free real estate career you will find anywhere. This is not for the brand new rank amateur agent seeking a shortcut to proficiency, nor is it for the failed agent who is unable to make a living. Instead, the agents who love this change and do well in this position have been successful, are knowledgeable, have good client management, communication and organization skills, and could continue earning a good living in regular real estate if they had to, but prefer to work a set number of hours, and then with their free time are really totally free to enjoy with family or on their other interests. Agents in this position welcome the opportunity to focus on one sales function with pre-qualified leads and have the freedom from endless cold prospecting, expensive advertising, intense competition, and an uncertain, unpredictable feast-famine roller coaster income. Let's take a look at our lead flow chart to give you a really good idea of how this position is unique and mutually beneficial. Firstly, with our exclusive marketing and advertising, we stop prospects in their tracks. They raise their hand and identify themselves as a prospect, and they contact us. That's right, all of our prospects call us. We don't do any cold calling. Next, all the leads are input immediately into our contact management system. Then the leads are given to the best inside sales agents. This is where you come in. If you are right for this position, you would be assigned the lead and would follow up with the prospect using our proven scripting. At this first point of contact, the inside sales agent, you, determines that either more follow-up is required before booking the appointment, or you book an appointment. You would then assign the appointment to the best outside sales agent. The outside sales agent would then meet with the prospect and convert them to a client using our exclusive seller or buyer presentation. You can see from this lead flowchart how you, the inside sales agent on our award-winning real estate sales team, plays a very important role and is an integral part of our lineup. This is a welcomed escape from the stress most real estate agents experience. If you have a quality track record, the necessary skills, and are ready to come in out of the 80-hour-a-week, on-call, all-day, all-night, all-weekends rat race, we have a great place on our unique team for you. To begin the process, simply call toll-free to our exclusive information line listed on this page. Your inquiry will be held in the strictest confidence. Your present broker or employer will not be contacted. Please note, the last time we advertised an opening for this inside sales position, we were flooded with applicants and immediately filled the position. Do not procrastinate. Thank you.